Hey everybody, today we're going to learn how to update all software packages and applications on Ubuntu. Running outdated software exposes your system to security vulnerabilities, but triggering a global refresh patches your core files and updates your apps instantly. First, open your terminal window by pressing Ctrl, Alt, and T simultaneously on your keyboard. Type the following command to download the latest package catalogs and find out what needs patching. Sudo apt update. Input your system password when prompted and press Enter to validate the network sync. Next, type this command to safely download and install every single available software package update. Sudo apt upgrade. Hit Enter, review the storage footprint summary layout, type the letter Y, and press Enter again to lock in the installations. Now, if you want to update your sandboxed applications like snaps or flatpaks at the exact same time, you can run their dedicated commands. Type sudo snap refresh and hit Enter to update background utilities and containerized store apps. If you prefer using a graphical user interface instead of typing commands, updating everything is incredibly seamless. Open your application dash tray, search for App Center, and click directly on its icon tool to launch the window panel. Click on the Manage Tab button tool located cleanly at the bottom of the App Center interface sidebar layout. The dashboard will instantly scan your system and populate a clean index list tracking every available firmware patch and software update. Click directly on the prominent Update All button tool sitting in the top right corner of the layout panel to securely fetch and install every single package payload automatically. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.